What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Missflips. In today's video, we are finishing up these beautiful nightstands that we entered in the tattoo challenge last week. I unfortunately didn't get a chance to finish them for last week's video, so today we are going to be doing that, taking them to the next level and making them into something really cool. So this is where we left off last week, and it was a lot of work. It was a lot of starts and stops and restarts and trial and error, figuring out what design I liked, and then I finally found something that I liked good enough to put onto the piece. And then there was some experimentation that definitely failed, but it turns out that I was making stuff much more complicated than I needed to, which actually brings us up to date. It turns out that all I really needed to do was take some bleach and put it on there to get that clouded effect. So I just took bleach straight from the bottle and made sure to spray it intensely in some places just to make sure that it's more white in some places than it is in others, and we were good to go. I was able to achieve the exact look that I wanted to. While I was waiting for the bleach to dry on the rest of the piece, I went ahead and sanded off all the repairs that I made. I actually decided partially through this project that I was not gonna go for perfection when it came to all the repairs. I decided that I wanted a much more worn in, kind of like reclaimed wood look. I didn't want things to be perfect. I wanted there to be tears in the veneer. I wanted there to be patches missing from the wood, and I thought that it looked really cool for the vibe that I was going, kind of like a more street art and less perfect. I wanted it to feel dingy and lived in. So now that I knew I had the look that I was trying to go for, I went ahead and applied top coat to both pieces. I did 2 layers of top coat, making sure to sand in between each coat. Once the top coat was completely dry, it was time to start sketching out my layout, which I did in pencil first and then went in with an acrylic pen to get the rest of the look permanent. I actually didn't really enjoy working with these pens. I don't really care for the ones that you push down to get the ink to come out. I find that the tip wears really quickly when you do that. So if anyone has any pens that they recommend and know of that don't do the push thing to get the paint out, that would be really awesome because I don't like working with these pens. The fact that you have to push them down inherently wears out the tip, and so it doesn't have that precise edge that you need to sometimes get the lines, and oftentimes it runs out of ink in the middle of your line, and it's, yeah, I just don't care for it. It's not my vibe. Alright guys, we are coming to an end here, but before I show you guys the finished result, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for supporting my channel. Make sure you hit that like button and the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. All this helps me keep creating this content for you guys so that we can stay a happy flippin' family. If you guys haven't checked out the rest of the amazing artists participating in this tattoo challenge, make sure to check out the playlist. I'll link it in the description below. And until next time, guys, stay flippin'.